Yeah, so in the second treatise on government, and specifically in the chapter on property, where Locke is waxing poetic about capitalism, he excludes, makes no mention of African slavery, which is going on at that time, which he is involved in. Uh, and it speaks to, or it opens up the issues of hypocrisy and almost downright fraud. Right? He's making universal claims about democracy and freedom, and couching them in democracy and freedom via capitalism, yet is not speaking to the biggest crime that is occurring during his time. So it's a huge hole, huge problem, and you want to be aware of that as you're reading the text. It's easy to see the sort of Native American um, move that he makes, although again that's indirect, right? But in terms of African slavery, he totally leaves it off the table, and it needs to be included in any discussion. Um, and it leaves us, with, is he, the thought, right, here is like, is he really conducting a thought experiment, really sort of speculating on human nature, or is he constructing a myth about human nature, right? Is he constructing a myth about capitalism, right, which is hiding the fact that capitalism, and capitalism at the time that he is living, is being powered uh, not by the free, rugged individual, the capitalist hero that he sort of writes about, that uses his rational labor to improve the land, but capitalism is being empowered by slave labor, chattel slave labor, African slavery. So definitely something to think about. Another critique of Locke is his philosophy of labor. Um, Labor, when applied rationally, is productive, progressive, and also moral and just. In fact, it's almost utopian the way he writes about it. Land is not only used rationally, thus increasing productivity, but it is also used justly. There is no talk of monopolization, etc. There's no critique of standardizing production at the expense of the environment.